Is Chris Paul vegan? What? As some of y'all may know, a new documentary called The Game Changers is about to come out this September, and Chris Paul is listed as one of the executive producers. Now, this documentary is promoting a plant-based diet and featuring a number of elite-level athletes. That being said, I was kind of surprised to see Chris Paul's name as an executive producer. But we do see that Chris Paul has joined Beyond Meat as a brand ambassador alongside Kyrie Irving, who has pronounced that he is vegan. I just found this article which details the red carpet premiere of The Game Changers, and Chris Paul and his wife look like they were on hand, and it gets into a little bit about his diet. So I was wondering, what is the answer? Is Chris Paul vegan? And the article goes on to say that Paul recently adapted to a plant-based diet and shared with reporters what it was like to eat with his fellow NBA players. So Chris Paul said that he went to dinner with LeBron James and Russell Westbrook, and they went to the Carbone in Vegas, and that's obviously a huge steak restaurant. They didn't know at the time that Chris Paul was vegan. He says he's out with his friends, and he got a cauliflower dish, and they gave him hell. And he repeated that. He said, they gave me hell. So I think we all know how that is when we first go vegan. People are like, what, man? You're eating rice and vegetables? Where's the meat? Where's the meat? Where's the beef? That's what people want to know. Well, it looks like Chris Paul is going beyond meat, beyond beef, to a plant-based diet. That's right, faster recovery times, stepping up for the movie The Game Changers, and I think there's going to be a lot of people who are upset to see these actions, to see these men standing up and saying you don't have to eat meat in order to be a man, to be an athlete, to stand up for your family and do the right thing for animals and the planet. But man, that's a tough pill to swallow, but I guess that's just what time it is, y'all. So Chris Paul looks like he's vegan, to answer your question. Check out the Game Changers playlist by clicking the thumbnail that's about to pop up at the end of this video for more interviews and behind the scenes footage from the film that everybody's going to be talking about at the end of this year. Alright, y'all know what time it is. Red Pill Vegan. Next.